In the Orono Times, I saw an article about Kathy and this program in senior horses, and I thought, this is something that I could do to help heal.
Hello again, Susan Tan here from Senior Protection. Welcome to our latest video on how seniors can help seniors. And this reminds me of a song of kind people, rainy day people. I want you to stay tuned because you're going to know about the Trillium Morgan Farm and how senior people are helping senior rescued horses, and you're going to meet wonderful, beautiful, kind souls. Watch.
In the Orono Times, I saw an article about Kathy and this program in senior horses, and I thought, this is something that I could do to help heal. And the first day I walked into the barn, it was like this sense of peace and calm came, and it's wonderful. It's like that every single time I come.
So horses, they just love to be pampered. And it's a really good opportunity to spend time with animals that you love and also to meet a lot of really wonderful people.
Catherine was generous enough to open up her barn to seniors. And pretty much all the seniors that are here in this program, we've all done something one way or another with horses in our lives.
The thing about this program, it's senior, the majority are senior horses here, and so the senior people coming and working with them, it is an amazing thing. I thought this would be a perfect opportunity now that I'm retired to get to come here once a week or maybe more often if you want, and I've gotten a lot of really close friendships here.
Best looking horse in the barn.
Just being here is just perfect.
Let's go back to 2018 and how Seniors for Seniors, Human Souls and Rescued Horse Souls all got started.
Yeah, well, it actually started with an elderly gentleman that started visiting the farm and had an interest in our Morgan horses, which he had experienced in the past through a good friend, a mutual friend of ours. And so we kept coming, and one day we said, do you think you could get on a horse again? And he was saying, oh, it's been a long time. He was in his 90s at this point. And pretty arthritic, and which I'm catching up to. And anyways, he was able to swing a leg up. We got him on the old horse. He stayed there for half an hour, and he says it was like a kid again. It had been 60 years since he was last on a horse.
Wow.
Which he used to ride a lot in his day. So after that meeting, he would come 2-3 times a week. just to groom the horses, sweep the barn. He really enjoyed it. He says that was kind of his place to be. And he had his favorite, the stallion, out there, and he'd always go and make a fuss over him. So he was with us for just over a year, and then he sadly passed away. Rod was the inspiration, and we started with that. And I just put it out on Facebook on the local page, and it took off.
I remember
all
seeing the
old, all the old riders out there. Oh, I haven't been in a barn in years, and so it just kind of has grown from there, and it's just been a really dedicated bunch.
When I take care of people, we hear stories about isolation, depression, loneliness, frustration, fear, because the family's not near them.
Right.
So we met some lovely ladies earlier, and you have now 26 volunteers?
26 volunteers, yeah.
When they meet the horses, you have horses that are rescued, you have horses that are not.
Yep.
Do they mostly groom and take care of the rescued?
Mostly groom, because most of my horses now are seniors like the rest of us.
Yeah.
So we all can relate to the aches and pains and special care they kind of need. So they groom. They also help me prepare feeds and get all the medications in, like the rest of us that are seniors are usually on medications for something. So they feel really they're doing a service, like they're giving back. So
I can hardly wait. I want to do this. I was only here once, and then obviously things get busy, but this is my dream. Like just to be knowing that you're helping animals live a better life. It improves your own soul. And I just want to thank you and all the ladies we've met. And
they're a great bunch.
I just want to say to all of our senior protection people who watch this, there are good souls out there, and that's what we want to do, is let you know every time we post, you're going to meet inspiration, kind souls, and good souls. Thank you once again. To learn about a 50-year history of the Trillium Morgan Farm and how since 2018, seniors are helping seniors, both two-footed and four-footed. And coming up next, we'll do something that's more related to helping seniors for Christmas. So stay tuned. And also, if you have any suggestions on what we should do for the next video, please contact us, because we want to improve the lives of seniors and create joy and happiness